Hi friends, welcome to Geethika's Kitchen Cook with Ease. Today let us make a spicy and flavorful chicken curry. So let's get started. I have used 1 kg of chicken. To that we need to add 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. To this we need to add 3 tablespoons of chili powder, red chili powder. If you find that the spice is more, you can reduce the red chili powder to 2 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste and 3 tablespoons of oil, and mix this well. To this I have added some lemon juice. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now turn on the stove, place a kadai, add about 6 tablespoons of oil and allow the oil to heat. Now add around 2 bay leaf, 3 finely chopped onions and mix it well. For the onions to fry quickly, we can add around half teaspoon of salt and stir it well. Once the onions turn transparent, add the marinated chicken and mix it well. Keep the flame in low. Toss the chicken well in such a way that the onions mix with the chicken thoroughly. At this stage, add about 1/4 glass of water. Mix the chicken well. Close the kadai with a plate and let us wait till the chicken is cooked properly. Now let us open the kadai. It looks great. Now check whether the chicken is cooked properly. Give it a nice mix. At this point, you can also check whether the salt is sufficient. If it is not, you can add a little salt and it's ready to serve. Before that, let us add some coriander leaves, and yes, our spicy and flavorful chicken curry is perfectly ready. Turn off the flame, transfer the chicken curry in a bowl, garnish with few coriander leaves, and this can be enjoyed with rice, roti, bagara rice, idli and even dosa. Hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Geethika's Kitchen. Thank you all.